Want to add some excitement to your evening rides? Pick up a Spokelit with Disco Select to keep you and your family safe and seen out on the road by providing important side visibility and, of course, a certain cool factor with the ring of colorful light that it creates on your moving wheels. With the unique Disco Select LED module, you can set your Spokelit to one of 6 different colors, or leave it cycling through all the colors in disco mode. Set a different color for each member of the family, change your colors for holidays and special occasions, or identify your group or team by setting all your Spokelits to the same color. The possibilities and fun are endless. To choose your color, press once to turn on the Spokelit Disco Select. Then, during the first cycle of colors, when the one you want appears, press a second time, and it will stay glowing on that color. If you don't choose a color during the first cycle, it will simply stay in disco mode, cycling through all the colors. To turn the light off, squeeze it one more time. Water resistant and easy to install without tools, the Spokelit fits on most 3-spoke pattern wheels. Press the spoke into the notch, then slide the light up towards the rim. Friction securely locks the Spokelit in place, even when your rides get a bit rowdy. The 2 2016 lithium batteries are easy to replace and will keep your bike illuminated for 20 hours. Use in combination with front and rear lights to stay seen and safe at every angle. So pick your favorite color, light up the night, and get to pedaling with your Spokelit Disco Select from Nite.